Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Afahaene. If you're new, hi, welcome to my channel. Please do well to subscribe, like this video if you find it helpful, and let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. And if you're not new here, hey boo, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be sharing personal tips on how I was able to save my first 100k at 20. I'm 21 now. I was 20 years last year, so I'll be sharing tips on how I was able to do that last year, and I'll be mentioning a couple of apps in this video. So disclaimer, this video is not sponsored by any of these apps. I happen to use them and they work for me, so I'm going to be mentioning them in this video. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. So how was I able to save 100k last year? I used 3 saving options. I used PiggyVest, I used Cowrywise, and a daily contribution where I contribute every day. So Cowrywise and PiggyVest are both savings app where you can save money. They have like different options, different features you can use in saving money. I used every option those two apps provided to save money. I am not someone that has money every day in my account. Sometimes I don't even have up to 100 naira in my account, to be very honest, but I was able to optimize these two apps to work for me. So I had like a savings option for 2k every day, I had the option for 1k every day, I had the option for 500 every day. So no matter how broke I was, if I wasn't able to put 2k, I would put 1k. If I wasn't able to put 1k, I would put 500. So no matter how bad it was, I was saving 500 naira every day. So even with what I had going on with the apps, I had like this daily contribution where I marked card every day. So I did this one for 200 naira every day. Imagine 200 times 365 days. That's 73k. How much is winning to reach 100k? Don't tell yourself you can't save money. Whether you're earning enough or not, you can save money if you're able to recharge your phone, be paying your service provider money every day, even if it's not every day in a week, but you're able to subscribe your phone. Baby girl, baby boy, you can save money. You can save money. Okay, so this is what I had going on. So imagine a case where I wasn't able to save 2k, I wasn't able to save 1k, and then I had 500, and then I still have like this 200. So I have saved 700 naira for that day. So let's say I saved 700 naira for that week. I'm a boss. I'm a boss. Okay, this is how I was able to save 100k and maybe above last year. So I use these apps and the money goes in there automatically. So imagine the days where I was so rich and I was saving the 2k, 1k, and 500. That's 35, and I still have like the daily contribution thing where it's 200. So that's like 3,200 in a day. Wow. Wow. So start saving today. You don't have to earn a lot of money to save a lot of money. If you're able to recharge your phone, if you're able to pay your service providers money for data, for airtime, or whatever it is, trust me, you can save. Even if it's saving 200 naira every day, you have 73k. I was able to save my first 100k even when I wasn't earning enough. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys liked it. Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.